Hey, welcome back. Okay, in this lesson, let's talk about ordering any marketing materials that you want to distribute, not only to your highly qualified community partners, but I also put these materials around town. So in my town, there are many community boards that people actually look at that you can staple or use push pins to put posters on. And that's why posters make sense for me. Then I like to also give out postcards to those community partners. So you don't have to use posters and postcards. Use what makes sense for you, but I think that those are pretty universal. Where do you want to get them? I order mine off of Vistaprint, and there's a document below that shows you examples of my posters and postcards and Vistaprint website, so you know where to go. And you've probably heard of it because they have commercials all the time for $9.99 business cards. But it's an easy peasy place to print things. But obviously you can use anywhere that you're comfortable with or that you like. But on Vistaprint, you want to basically always use a coupon code because they run offers all year long. But if you use a coupon code specifically for those materials, you can get them for very, very affordable, which is a goal of mine for you, is to learn how to build these community relationships really on a very small budget. And then that way you can put your money into other areas. Okay, so go to Vistaprint, order your materials, make sure you order them based on that calendar that I gave you. It's not, rocket science. Order them early. And I tell you that because I can't tell you how many times I've ordered 1,000 materials and have them show up with one day before my webinar, or just with not enough time to get them distributed. You can hire someone to distribute them for you if you don't have a team member. And we have team members now who do it, but for a while I just hired a neighborhood kid who would drive around and distribute those materials. And it was easy enough, and it got them out in town. Okay, so go to Vistaprint and get those materials so that you can get your community events going, you can build your relationships, so we can build the most awesome neurofeedback expert practice. Go for it.